Oh, hello my friends, welcome back. So today we are reviewing a USB-C magnetic adapter. So this is a USB 3.1 up to 40 gigabytes, 100 watt fast charging capability, strong magnetic, and it can transfer 4K 60 HZ video. Let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. So this is what you get, this is what it looks like. So they give you extra end here, but this is the piece, and it's just pretty much gives you a nice adapter at an angle. So for example, take our cell phone, this gets plugged in, you have it like that. So now you can plug in a Type-C into here at a direct angle out, and that can always stay in there. So you can always keep that in there. So if you ever need to charge it, you just plug it in. So for example, you can have a Type-C cable run into a USB. In fact, we can actually go ahead and show you what I'm talking about. Take this Type-C cable like this, and now you plug this into any USB port. You know, any USB port works, even a power bank. And now it's connected, and that allows you, and you can just pull it off whenever, and if you're ready for charging, go ahead, connect it, and you're good to go. It's very simple. And now you got an angle adapter.